So we can go over to our camera. Please, Jace. You can see we just want clean, dry skin. We want ultrasound gel on. They already have our little straps here. Ultrasound gel goes on. And the keys to a successful treatment: ultrasound gel, good contact. Ultrasound gel, good contact. That's it. Like, anyone can do it. Ultrasound gel, good contact. And when you go over to, can I have you take just maybe a step to your left or to your right? I just want to show them this interface. Can we go over to that interface while you're hooking this up? Go ahead, sis. So when you're looking at this, we have a couple of options. The top one is, this is just telling us we're in preheat mode. The elapsed time will be time at temperature. So if we want a 30-minute treatment, it will be right there on the top left. Then the next one is the RF power. RF power, listen closely because this is very confusing. RF power means nothing in terms of the treatment successful rate. Like, RF power does not play into the success of the treatment. So people are thinking like some of these other things, like I'm gonna really crank it up to get a good result. RF power, think of it like your gas pedal. The higher I go on my power, I'm just gonna get to my finish line quicker. The lower my RF power is, it's just gonna take me a little, it's just like your gas pedal. So it has nothing to do with the treatment itself. Meaning, another way to say it, an RF power of 40 is not better than 20. It's not twice as good as 20. An RF power of 10 is no less than 20. I'm just gonna get to my temperature, which you and I as providers decide. I'm just gonna get to my temperature quicker with an RF power of 40 than 20. Do you guys understand what I mean? Okay, so it's just like a gas pedal, but it has no play on your treatment because either way you're gonna get to your temperature. And then our cutoff temperature, again, 40, 41, 42, 43, and then the treatment time. So the elapsed time is how much time has gone by. The time there where it says 20 minutes, that's us saying we're gonna do a 20-minute treatment. And the EMS intensity, you and I get to decide. And so you just set the left hand and the machine will go to work. And what you can see, all the blocks, see 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, those are all purple. That is telling me we are less than 35 degrees Celsius. That's a visual indicating clues that you have. So I can look, and when that block is orange or yellow, I'm gonna be at my treatment temperature. Girl's ready to fire her up. And then there's also, okay, we could go back to here. Sorry, should have had you girls come up earlier. That was my fault.
Okay, it's all good.
Now they're rushing, my bad. So see how it's purple as well on the paddle itself? That's telling me I'm 35 degrees. When that is also signifying yellow, that means I'm at